Sheikh, my question is regarding listening to songs and nasheed. It's a single question, but with two case scenarios. So, scenario number one is Alhamdulillah, I have left listening to songs, but sometimes I fall weak and get back to it. I know that I'm doing a major sin by listening to songs which obviously would contain kufr in them. But my question is sometimes there are some songs of which I don't even understand the language and I just enjoy the vibe of it. Most probably it won't contain things like knowing the unseen, but what if it contains things like knowing the unseen or future telling?
Okay, this is enough for your first part because, mashallah, you have a full lecture. This is not a question, Akhi, mashallah. First of all, Akhi, listening to songs is sinful, whether it's major or minor, depending on the content of the lyrics. If you don't know what the lyrics are and you just are fine with the beat and how the song goes and you like the music and the likes, this is sinful, but it is not kufr.